Hello friends, welcome to another video from Programming Tutorial channel. In this video I want to solve the question number 4.21. The question is given here, the largest and the smallest of 10 numbers. So let's start here. First of all, I need to initialize some variables. Integer largest number and counter for we use the counter for loop. So largest is equals to init scanner class. Now let's take the largest number as input. Largest equals to input dot next and counter is equals to 2. Let's have an output here. Enter integer. So now we need to initialize the while loop. While counter is less than or equal to 10. The program will be continued. Now we have variable number equals to input dot next and now we have to number. Now if number is greater than largest, now initialize the largest to number to the largest. Largest is equals to number and counter plus now we have to give the large number as a output. The largest number is equal to plus largest. Now let's check the program. Enter an integer, for example 10. Enter the number 20, 15, 12, 98, 35, 444, 15, and 12, 11. Now the largest number is 444. How this program check this number? So let's see that in the first loop, suppose we have entered here 5 and here we entered 2. Now this condition check that if 2 is greater than largest, then the largest will store the 2. If this condition false, it will increment this the variable and go to the next loop. In the next loop, when we enter this, we only get this input. For example, we get 12 here. 12 is greater than 5. 12 is greater than 5, and 12 will be stored in the largest, and here it will print the largest if the loop exit. Else till here it will store the largest number to the largest variable, then print it here in the output. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel to get my next videos. Thank you.